welcome back to Home Food Best Food. This video is about Foxtail Millet Dosa. This crispy dosa is very healthy and diabetic friendly too. Serves as one of the best weight loss food because it has zero rice in it. Let's start the recipe. We're going to take 2 cups of foxtail millet, half cup of moong dal, half cup of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and quarter cup of poha or flattened rice. Next we're going to add 4 cups of water, mix it well, drain the water. We're going to add 3 more cups of water, just around 1 inch above your ingredients, and let it sit for 8 hours. Soak it for 8 hours. After 8 hours, transfer the ingredients into a mixer jar and blend it into fine paste. Ferment it for 24 hours, or you can also make it after 12 hours, but they taste best after 24 hours of fermentation. Once the tawa is hot, add 1 scoop of dosa batter and spread it evenly on tawa. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee or oil. Cover it and cook it for a few seconds. See how easily it comes off the pan. Now your crispy dosa is ready to relish. Let's see once again. Foxtail millet is loaded with good calories. Foxtail millet is a powerhouse of energy. Just like quinoa, this is easy substitute for rice and tastes delicious in salads. It is rich in natural iron, which reduces the muscular spasm and eases out restlessness syndrome. Diet including foxtail millet may improve glycemic control and reduce insulin, cholesterol and fasting glucose in type 2 diabetic patients. If you want to control your blood sugar level or skip adding rice because of weight issues, then you can just skip adding poha as well and make it with just lentils and foxtail millet. Look at the beautiful color and crispy texture of dosa. I hope you like this recipe. Do leave your thoughts in comments below. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.